Here's a Nissan Versa. Now very likely your problem is being caused by a bad fuse, and the good thing is we have a spare fuse with us. So let's go ahead and open the driver's side door, and right over there is a cover. Press the top clip over there and then pull the cover back, and that is going to reveal the fuse panel to us. Behind the cover is the fuse diagram, and on the side there are the spare fuses. Now we will be focusing on this 20 amp power socket fuse. That's the fuse that controls the power socket. Get this fuse puller out of there, put it right over there on that 20 amp fuse and pull it out. And the moment I do that, the power in my power outlet will be gone, because this is a good fuse. How do I know that? Look at the center part of it. If yours is broken, then it's a bad fuse. If it's not broken, then it's a good fuse. This was a good fuse. Very likely your problem is being caused by a bad fuse, and the good thing is we had that 20 amp spare fuse over there. Get it out, make sure this is good, and when you put it back in, make sure you put it in the proper position and do not get confused with the empty slots there. Put the fuse puller back in its position, put the cover back on, and when you do that, put the bottom part of it back in place first, and then press the top part back in place, and you are done. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.